You might be wondering, is Westpac a debit card? It's a simple question, but one that opens up a conversation about how we manage our money in today's digital world. We're all familiar with different ways to pay: cash, credit cards, bank transfers, but debit cards hold a unique and often central position in our financial lives. They're the workhorses of everyday spending, directly linked to the funds we actually have. Think about it. When you tap or swipe your card at the grocery store, pay for your morning coffee, or shop online, what kind of card are you usually reaching for? More often than not, it's a debit card. These cards offer convenience, security, and a direct link to your own funds, helping you stay within your budget. They're essentially a digital extension of your bank account, allowing you to access your money without physically visiting a branch or an ATM every time you need to make a purchase. So, to answer the burning question, yes, Westpac does offer a range of debit cards. As one of Australia's major banks, Westpac provides its customers with various debit card options designed to suit different needs and preferences. These cards are linked directly to your Westpac transaction or savings accounts, meaning that when you use your Westpac debit card, the money is deducted directly from your available balance. This is the fundamental characteristic of a debit card: you're spending your own money, not borrowed funds. Westpac's debit cards typically come with features like contactless payment capabilities, making quick transactions even faster. They can also be used for online purchases, allowing you to shop securely from the comfort of your home. And, of course, you can use them at ATMs to withdraw cash or check your balance, providing easy access to your funds whenever you need them. The great thing about using a Westpac debit card is the control it gives you over your spending. Since you're using your own money, there's no risk of accumulating debt like there can be with credit cards. This makes them an excellent tool for budgeting and managing your finances responsibly. If the money isn't in your account, the transaction won't go through, acting as a built-in safeguard against overspending. Westpac offers different types of accounts, and associated with many of these are their debit cards. For example, a standard everyday transaction account will almost certainly come with a Westpac Debit MasterCard or Visa debit card, allowing you to make purchases wherever MasterCard or Visa is accepted globally. It's important to differentiate this from a credit card, which allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit and repay it later, often with interest. With a Westpac debit card, it's your money, plain and simple. Understanding the difference between debit and credit cards is crucial for sound financial management. While both offer convenience, their underlying mechanisms are entirely different. So, next time you pull out your Westpac card, you'll know exactly what it is and how it empowers you to manage your money effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.